Hey, this is Coach Sherry. All right, I have got to talk about this. The universe is telling me to talk about this. Not only did this happen to myself, but also like at least 3 other people I've encountered in the past week. And that is beating ourselves up and micro managing all the flaws that we have about ourselves. You can't do this. You cannot. And we tend to do it naturally because if something doesn't go the way we plan, then we start analyzing it. And then we start trying to figure out some type of answer as to why am I not accomplishing something I want to? Or why do I react so quickly to something when maybe I should take a few minutes and just think about it before I have a reaction? And it causes this domino effect to where one negative thought leads to another that leads to another. And I tell my clients, especially when they're going through something like this, or my friends or myself even, I know what's going on. You start to put yourself under a magnifying glass and you look at every flaw, every action that you've taken that didn't lead to a favorable result, or you start summing up why things are the way they are based upon your actions. Does this sound familiar to any of you? Because it truly happens with so many of us. So my advice to myself and to you is to stop putting yourself under a magnifying glass, go with the flow, give yourself way more credit than you are. Because instead of putting all that energy into the negative thoughts about yourself, try flipping it immediately and putting your energy into the positive. What is good about you? What are the good things that you do? And what have you accomplished? What are you striving for? Focus on the positive and stay away from the negative. Get out from underneath that magnifying glass. You will be so much happier. It's just not worth all the energy. Not to mention what it does to you emotionally, physically. It's draining. So stop doing this, okay? If you encounter yourself doing this, I want you to stop and immediately flip it and think of the positives. Just give it a shot today. I know you can do this. It takes less energy to think about something positive and good that makes you feel happy than it does to go under that microscope. So throw that microscope away and start embracing your goodness. I believe in you. I love you all so much. And I want you to have an amazing day, have an amazing weekend. And I will talk to you next week. Bye-bye.